Thursday. We can't be having Stoogles on set. We can't be having Stoogles. Welcome to Cars in Isolation with me, Ross, and Sherlock. Welcome, guys, to the Audi TT Roadster. Episode 3. The Audi TT Mark 1. Mark 1 TT. Now, they made this in two different versions. We got the Roadster with just 2 seats and a foldable roof, and they made a 2+2 coupe. Coupe or coupe? No, coupe. Coupe. So in this Mark 1 we've got the BAM engine, BAM, 225 brake horsepower, 1.8 turbocharge with a KO4 turbo. This thing goes. Right, well, this part of Cars in Isolation, I'm going to go through some of the common faults, pretty much what we've done to this car so far. Being German built, they are bloody reliable, not much goes wrong, but I'll just go through the small list. Yes, very small list. Okay, right, first couple of things, obvious things. Service, we've done a service on it. This is a 2004, it's done 101,000 miles, so we've done cam belt, we've done cam belt, water pump, rollers, auxiliary belt, good to do. I really should have wrote on this list. What do you reckon, Whit? Are we going in the direction you thought we were going in? So carrying on from that, we, like I said, we've done the cam belt, water pump, tensioner, rollers, auxiliary belt, auxiliary tensioner. I hope you're keeping up. We've also done brake fluid change, discs and pads. These are all normal things. Fuel filter, spark plugs, servicey items. Now, common problems with them. We've done the ignition coils themselves. You can buy Audi's 3rd, 5th, 6th, maybe 144th gen ignition coils. They are normally red, but you'll have to check with your local parts department, basically. Bit of a shout out, if you're after Audi service, Audi parts, and you're in the Shrewsbury area, Shrewsbury Audi, give Paul or the team at Shrewsbury Audi a call. Great parts department. Don't mention my name because they won't give you any discount. So, ignition coils, we've also done another common problem on them, is the actual wires that go to the ignition that take the current from the ECU, the voltage. They get hot and cold all the time, high temperatures. They're right by the intake pipe at the top. They go across the rocker cover and they break down. They cause all sorts of problems. Sometimes they actually cause issues, misfires that look like they're a coil problem, but they're actually just the wires breaking down themselves. So we've rewired that all the way from the ECU. Again, you can get your parts online. You can get wires, repair kits from Audi. So that is one of the common ones with them. Another common problem, not so much, more on vehicles that haven't been maintained, that haven't had a regular service. Obviously, Audi, this is sort of where Audi decided to have a longer service interval. You find a lot of build up of carbon and a bit of sludge. You have issues with this one's got a variable cam timing, and we've replaced the cam timing, the chains, the chain, because a lot of people don't know this has got a cam belt on the one side, and then you've got a variable cam actuator that runs off the 2 cams that links the intake and the exhaust. So a couple of other things we've done, thermostat. This particular car wouldn't get up to temperature. The thermostat had sort of stuck open, so it was running very cool, so that's another thing to look out for. The actual cooling temperature switch, they get furred up. There's a couple of different generation part numbers, so give your parts department a call. Dipstick tube. Now, I'm not a dipstick, but this is a dipstick tube. Basically, the plastic is really brittle. it gets hot and cold, breaks down. You'll probably find one day you go to pull out the dipstick and the whole thing will come out with it. So it's a couple of pounds, get it replaced.
I know you wanted the helicopter to come in at this scene, but I just don't think we can do it. I really don't think we can get a helicopter at this time. You know, we're meant to be in lockdown, Wiz. Right, inside, really nice. This one's got bows, full leather, heated seats. I love this aluminium faceplate.
What do you mean, bows?
Bose sound system.
Oh. Go.
Inside is really nice.
Do you have to say nice?
Inside, typical German engineering, aluminium bits. Look at that, TT, engraved TT over the faceplate. Lovely leather, and for this age, 2004, the leather's really nice. Common issue, everyone knows about this. The dash pod, the centre screen, LED. You get all your information, your mileage, that goes. The LED in the middle, you suddenly get nothing, or it all starts to break down. Now, top tip, Ross's top tips. There's a company called ECU Testing. Send them off. I think this one was about £200. A week turnaround. They're pretty quick. They get it back to you and unlimited warranty. So I'll leave a link in the description for them. ECU Testing. When are we done filming yet? You're working me to the bone.